Set up with. Arrange for someone to meet or start a relationship with another person. Example, I set him up with my friend for a blind date. Set up. Arrange or establish something. Example, I'll help you set up your new computer. Set off. Start a journey or trigger something. Example, they set off on their road trip early in the morning. Set aside. Save or reserve something for a specific purpose. Example, let's set aside some time for a meeting next week. Set in. Begin and continue steadily, usually regarding weather or a trend. Example, winter has set in, and it's getting colder. Set back. Delay or hinder progress. Example, the unexpected problem set our project back by a week. Set out. Begin a journey or a task with a particular goal. Example, we set out to explore the city and its landmarks. Settle down. Calm down or establish a stable life. Example, after years of traveling, he decided to settle down and buy a house. Set in motion. Start a process or activity. Example, the new policy will set in motion changes in the organization. Set forth. Present information or arguments in a systematic way. Example, the report sets forth the key findings of the research. Set about. Start doing something with determination. Example, they set about renovating the old house. Set against. Have a negative opinion about something or someone. Example, I'm not set against the idea, I just need more information. Set up shop. Start a business or establish a place for work. Example, after years of planning, they finally set up shop in the city center. Set someone back. Cost someone a certain amount of money. Example, The new phone will set you back about $500. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.